is there a suggestion, mechanical lock versus electronic lock? Yeah. Do you have? Is there a preference or something that you would suggest?
We're
Or
selling more of the electronic locks these days.
Okay.
They really have come a long way, and we're very satisfied and customers are satisfied with them. Usually, it's user error. When somebody calls, it's just user error.
Gotcha.
People forget that it's got a battery and it starts acting strange, and they'll call and we'll tell them what to do. And if they want to change if you want to change the combination, then you need an electronic lock. Let's say a business that buys a safe from us that has the mechanical lock, if that person that's operating that safe for them leaves, they need to call a locksmith to have that combination changed.
Gotcha.
Because they let that person go for a reason, or they may have just quit. But you need to be able to change the combination when you have an employee change in a business. So there's pros and cons for that. A lot of people like the mechanical lock, so they're old school and they feel comfortable with that. It's just that it takes more than a few minutes or seconds to open the door.
A little bit slower to do.